Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice homemade full guide. Start with day-old rice and prep vegetables, proteins, and aromatics before you heat the pan. Heat oil until shimmering, then add aromatics and proteins first, followed by rice and sauces. Stir constantly and finish with sesame oil and scallions. I keep things simple, flexible, and forgiving so you can customize this at home with confidence and ease. For great fried rice, prioritize simple quality ingredients and quick technique. Use day-old jasmine or long-grain rice for fluffy results and high smoke point oil for a clean fry. Add eggs early so they scramble into small pieces, then fold in proteins and veggies. Season with soy sauce, a touch of oyster sauce, and sesame oil at the end. Taste and tweak with salt, pepper, or chili for your preferred balance. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, is easy to grip, and fits most cup holders, so it pairs great with cooking sessions. I find it handy when I'm standing at the stove for long stirs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering technique makes fried rice reliably delicious every time. Maintain high heat and work quickly, so rice grains stay separate and get slight toasty spots. Stir and toss rather than constantly stirring to encourage occasional browning. Scramble eggs on one side of the pan before combining for even distribution. Finish with sesame oil and scallions for aromatics, and always taste before serving to adjust seasoning as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.